The history of Kashin Flax processing factory is closely connected with the history of the Soviet Union. The factory was set up in 1928 by the first Soviet president, Mr. M. Kalinin, and continued its operation till the last days of the Soviet state as a leading factory in flax processing industry all over the Soviet Union. Hundreds of Kashin workers with good salary were employed on the factory, providing high living standards to their families. In 2018, the factory was reopened after complete renovation. About 10 million euros were invested by Russian investor in complete reconstruction of the factory. Now, it is the modern high-tech processing plant equipped with sophisticated Russian and EU-made technological processing lines capable to produce annually 5,000 tons of degummed bleached flax and hemp fiber and cellulose. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, majority of its strategic industries like gunpowder or rocket fuel production, output of special uniform or medical application and bandage items became totally dependent on imported cotton cellulose. The commissioning of reconstructed factory will contribute not only in national country security, but will provide jobs for hundreds of Kashin citizens and thousands of agricultural workers. Produced bleached fiber can be exported to a number of foreign countries, thus contributing into reestablishment of Russian national traditional historical trademark of Russian flax. Hundreds of farmers are engaged now in cultivation of flax in Tver region to provide the factory with incoming best fiber. The factory is capable to process up to 15,000 tons of flax and hemp fiber annually. Completely renovated French-made La Roche refining line is a core of our factory. 3 sets of refining machines guarantee the output of high-quality, cotton-like refined flax fiber with chive content below 0.5%. Cottoning or high-quality refined fiber can be used in production of a wide variety of medical and cosmetical items, textile and non-woven materials, sophisticated composite materials, and cellulose ethers. All processing wastes and refuses are collected and used in production of fuel pellets for plant boiler or sold as ecologically friendly pet fillers. Two Russian-made refining lines of Tex-Inch can produce high-quality refined fiber used in textile industry or for production of non-woven or composite materials or in construction. Refined fiber or cottoning can be exported due to ongoing demand in China, India, or EU markets. Refined fiber is baled on special presses and delivered to buyers. Refined fiber can be degummed and bleached on dyeing machines in chemical shop to produce bleached degummed fiber or cellulose for further processing in a number of high-valued goods for national security applications. The factory is equipped with Russian and German-made dyeing machines to produce high-quality silk like best fiber for textile industry. We have introduced technologies developed by Russian scientists capable to produce both total water resistant or high water absorption fibers. 1 gram of our high water absorption fiber can absorb at once up to 80 grams of water, a unique parameter of a kind, so it can be further processed into a number of highly valuable products like cellulose ethers or nitro polishes. Our laboratory, equipped with sophisticated devices, can research not only physical fiber parameters like fineness or breaking tendency, but fiber's molecular structure as well. The laboratory high-pressure pilot installation can modulate different processing parameters and technologies to produce fiber with specific characteristics required by consumers. Skilled personnel and plant management are ready to fulfill new tasks and produce high-quality goods to meet demands of Russian growing economy.